This is Bob. Bob is a regular guy. He comes from this country over here. Now this means that Bob can speak the language of this country here. Hi, Bob. Now Bob might have family that comes from another country. Let's say it's this country over here. And let's say that Bob has also gone to visit this country, which means he speaks the language of this country. Yeah, that looks right. Now, a couple years have passed, which means that Bob needs to start earning a living. This also means he needs to start acting like an adult. He needs to start probably dressing like one as well. Unfortunately, he's dealing with a downward trending economy, whatever that means. He's also dealing with the increasing globalization of businesses and organizations, whatever that means. But remember, he still has this language, and he also still has this other language over here. So suddenly he finds that he can help these businesses and organizations with their increasing globalization, whatever that means, by helping them translate from one language to the other. In fact, he's found that anytime he can find a Wi-Fi connection, he can help them. This means he can even help them from that coffee shop down the street that he likes so much. He can go work from there and earn a living, while he's dressed in his casual clothes. In fact, why stop there? He realized that he can do this from anywhere he might be all over the world as long as he can find an internet connection. Say from here, or possibly from here, or here, or here. In short, Bob is now living the lifestyle of a freelance translator. In case you haven't figured it out yet, Bob is a pretty weak and loose metaphor for me. I am that translator. And this course is the course that I wish had existed when I first started out as a translator. This course will teach you everything you need to know about freelance translation. It'll teach you how to get set up in the beginning, and it'll teach you how to find your first clients. Of course, it'll teach you how to get paid by those clients. It'll also teach you how to follow up with them and how to get repeat business from them. In short, this course will teach you how to become a successful freelance translator.